I got a phone call from a friend and she was really sad and crying. Apparently, she had lost a close friend of hers to breast cancer. Somehow I could relate because I'd also lost a close relative of mine to pancreatic cancer. Now, at the end of that call, I decided to dig a bit further and I discovered that in the year 2022, 69.1 million people died. And out of this number, 9.6 million people died from various forms of cancers. Now, that's a lot of people. It was actually the second leading cause of death in the year 2022. So, as an African, I decided to check how this affects us. And upon checking, I discovered that Black people are more likely to die from various cancers and live the shortest amount of time after a cancer diagnosis than any other racial or ethnic group. It then occurred to me that we had actually done cancer preventive diets back in school. So I decided to share two of these recipes with you guys. So today we're going to be making two anti-cancer smoothies or cancer preventive smoothies. They are not only delicious, but they are relatively cheaper than treating these cancers. So if you're interested in this, keep watching. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please do let me know if you have any other diets which you would like us to try. For our first recipe, we would use 1 medium-sized tomato, 3 small carrots, and 1 medium-sized cucumber. Cucumbers are rich in two substances called cucurbitacins and luteins. Now, these substances have been shown to prevent cancers, especially breast cancer. Carrots and tomatoes are rich in the antioxidants beta-carotene and lycopene respectively. These substances have been shown to protect cells against cancer-causing substances. The ingredients found in this smoothie will help to prevent cancers, especially cancers of the digestive tract or digestive organs, lung cancers, and also prostate cancer. Our next smoothie will be a mixture of beetroot, lemon, and celery, and I'll advise you to use fresh celery stalk. 1 lemon pulp contains about 34 milligrams of vitamin C, which helps to build immunity. Naringin and hesperidin found in lemons have also been shown to have anti-cancer benefits, especially for prostate, breast, and stomach cancer. Polyacetylene compounds found in celery have also been shown to prevent cancer formation, especially breast, colon, pancreatic cancer, and cancer of the blood. Beta-cyanins, which is a substance found in beetroots, helps to prevent various forms of cancers and also to prevent early aging. So this smoothie is not only useful for cancer prevention, but also to prevent anti-aging and also helps with digestive issues.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life and
thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative and pretty easy, and see you guys on my next video.